Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the F33 330D in Glacier Silver Metallic. So alongside that superb exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the vehicle. The car did come with the optional 19-inch 403M alloys, however we've just had them professionally refurbished now in gloss black. And all the way around they have got the premium mixed run flats. At the front of the car, not only will you see it's a 2013 63 reg, it does also have the fabulous Xenon and Angel Eye headlamps. Down the side of the car you'll also be able to see, as well as it is an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, we've also added both the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And all of those additions really do work very nicely with that exterior colour, alongside the sun protection glazing you can see on the rear windows. Moving through to show you the very nice black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric movement, memory and heated seat options. It has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and I shall show you more of the interior features shortly. Moving through to the rear seats, where we have an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench. And of course there you can see the central folding armrest, and you also get a lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Moving around to the rear of the car, again showing you those freshly refurbished 19-inch wheels. At the back the car already came with a body colour rear spoiler, and we've just added a high gloss rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot area for an F33 3 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as it is a very nicely sized area. Alongside this also comes with the optional extra of split folding seats, so again that will aid in that area. Moving around to the other side of the car, you can see that that is a very clean and tidy example once again, and alongside working nicely with those additions, as well as of course the very eye-catching 19-inch alloys. So I'll quickly just demonstrate the split folding seats before taking a seat in the driver's side. As you can see, I've just not quite got the seat forward enough. There we go. So as you can see, that really does give you that little bit of extra freedom to have large items in the boot. Moving on to take a seat inside, and starting with another option for this car is the professional wide navigation and media screen it comes equipped with. We'll start the car up and just run you through a couple more features and functions. So currently on screen is the DAB list, alongside a wide array of multimedia inputs, including music collection. We've also got external devices for USB and AUX inputs. It does have Bluetooth telephone as well, alongside a fantastic sat-nav system. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls, along with switches for our heated seats. The car itself's covered just over 49,000 miles, so again a very low mileage example for a 2013 year car. And it also comes with full service history, including the most recent service carried out in-house by ourselves. 16,000 miles till next service, and as you can see all of the services are on screen now, and they're all BMW service history up to the most recent one, and this one here has been carried out by ourselves. So there is a walk around video of a fantastically spec 330D M Sport Saloon in Glacier Silver. Once again, I hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful, and of course if you do want to get in touch with us here, we will happily answer any questions we're able to. And of course, all of the contact information is always down below in the description. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch it, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.